Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the ANCwear 107 large screen smartwatch. Hopefully my video will give you the information you need about this product. Inside the box you have the watch, the USB cable to charge the watch, the strap and the user manual. Now let's take a closer look at the watch. It has a 1.83-inch touchscreen which is large and user-friendly for navigation and reading. The straps are made from soft, comfortable silicone material which feels great on the wrist. This watch is IP68 waterproof rated, making it suitable for water activities. To charge the watch, attach one end of the USB cable onto the back of the watch and the other end to a USB charger. 2 hours of charging gives 15 days of use. There's only one button on the right side of the watch. Press and hold it to power it on. When you turn it on, the first thing you'll see is the current time. Once you connect your watch to the DA Fit app, it will automatically sync with the date and time on your phone. You can watch the video that will appear on the card above to learn how to connect your watch to the DA Fit app. Now, if you want to change the design on the watch face, just tap and hold the middle of the screen. You can now swipe left or right to pick a different design. Tap on the one you like. Now from this landing screen, you can swipe up, down, left or right to access other features. Let's get started by swiping up. Here you can access the menu of features. The first feature is Activity, which displays your daily data such as steps, distance and calories burnt. To return to the menu, press the button on the side. Next you have your sleep statistics. You can monitor your heart rate, blood pressure and oxygen levels. After that, you have Sports mode. Here you have activities such as walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, etc. There are 120 activities you can choose from. Now, to start an activity, simply select one from the list and tap on it. Let's say running, for example. The countdown will begin and the activity will start. You can now monitor your steps, distance, calories burnt, and heart rate. To stop the activity, press the button and then stop. Returning to the menu, there are several other features available such as weather information. You will need to set your current location on the app. I will show you how to do this later in the video. Messages will allow you to receive notifications from your phone and social media apps onto your watch. You will need to enable this feature on the app as well. I will show you how to do this later in the video. You can also use the camera feature to trigger the shutter on your phone using your watch. You can also set a timer, use the relax feature and set alarms. The music player feature lets you control the music on your phone with your watch. Other features available are stopwatch, flashlight, find phone and games. Now from the home screen, let's swipe down. Here you have additional settings such as enabling Do Not Disturb and increasing or reducing the brightness of the screen. Now let's explore settings. Here you can adjust the display, enable or disable vibration, enable or disable low power mode, and System will allow you to restart, power off, or reset your watch. Now from the home screen, let's swipe left. Here you will see shortcuts to your preferred features. For example, I've chosen Activity and Heart Rate. To add another feature, swipe left, then press on the plus icon and select the feature you want to add. For example, let's say Weather. Finally, from the main menu, let's swipe right. Here you will see a quick entry to the features that you've recently used. This should cover most of the features on the watch. Now let's explore the app. After connecting the watch to the app, your stats will be synced. This includes step count, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen level, and your activity stats such as outdoor running and walking. Now tap on the watch icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you can select different watch faces. You can also tap on Face Gallery and download new watch faces. Now tap on Notifications. Here you can select the apps that can send you notifications. For example, I will turn on notifications for WhatsApp. This means that WhatsApp messages received on my phone will be sent to the watch as well. Alarms will allow you to set alarms for your watch. Shutter will enable you to trigger the camera shutter on your phone using your watch. Now tap on Others. Here you have additional features such as changing the time format, unit system, and enabling Do Not Disturb. You can also enable Drink Water Reminder. All you need to do is set the start time, frequency to drink water, and drink water interval. Enable Weather if you want your watch to display the weather information. Just set your temperature system and select your city. This covers some of the features on the app. In summary, this smartwatch is great for daily use, offering a variety of activities and features to choose from. It's user-friendly and comfortable, making it easy to wear. Its black colour and unisex design also means that it can match any outfit. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With quick tips too, knowledge has no limits.